Okay, we're going to explore today the Takeoff import version of Best Bid Next Generation. It's quite different in the Hybrid Pro. Let's just jump in and see what it looks like. So we're going to go to Takeoff, trial and files. And you can see right off the bat, it is quite different. And it has a lot of features that we might not catch every one of them in this video, but you just would go from import files, and then we'll select a file. And so this tells us from this screen that there's 8 pages in that file. Then I'm going to start and say, I still think the very best way to handle imports is to only upload to eSheets. So if you have a combined PDF drawing, use like external PDF splitter and just import the electrical pages. Now with this new feature, it's not, you're not forced to do that, but I still suggest they're in there. But let's just look at a couple of the features that we have here. So we have imported these 8 pages. I can simply just hit import and import all 8 pages. I can select import the following pages, and I can choose certain pages out of those 8 pages. Instructions right here. So if you want to import 1 to 4, pages 6 to 8, and page 10, you would just type it in this way, 1-4, 6-8, 10. So it gives you a very much of a versatility of which pages you want to import. Now with this, you can also, if this is a blind file and you do not have any idea what those 8 pages are about, you can select Browse Pages. So this is going to import those 8 pages. And that lets you view which pages you've imported. So if there's the page that you do not want to move over to the Takeoff, you can delete it, delete pages. You can select several pages and delete as what they call batch delete. Can delete those. But if you're finished with all these, you can just say, okay. I'll have to select some pages first, of course. Let's say I want page 1, and page 3, page 6. And it shows down in this screen which pages you're importing. And I'll take 7 and 8. So you have a lot of versatility, and you can review the pages as you don't. So hit OK when you're ready. And it's going to ask you, sure you want to import those 5 pages? And you'll say yes. And it's going to port to 5 pages ready to better take off of. Now these tape pages are going to be regular. Now what's really good about this view screen is if you hold the control key and do your roller mouse, you can zoom in and zoom out. And what this screen is designed for is you can look and see what the page name is. And this one happens to be E1, but it would say lighting or something that would be more appropriate. So you can change the name here and what is called this legend. And the next page looks like it's going to be power, electrical power. So we would change the name of it to power. The next page looks like the Wurla. So you can zoom in and out and check. The next page, here's a page that we won't need for that. So we're going to delete this. I select the X and hit yes. And this page 8, here's whole notes who we want. Leave that for our takeoff even. So we're going to just delete it. So that is part of the import features.